So who was going to tell me about this now? Anyway, I found out, which is why I'm here at this hardware store to pick it up for myself. And this marigold along the way. Just stay focused. Do not get distracted by all of the stuff. Stay focused. Focus. It's down this aisle right over here. Come on, buddy. It's a new home for you. And you? So this is what I had to find out about on my own. This iDesign scarf hanger, which is going to help revolutionize my life. Okay, if not revolutionize, at least help organize it. I had to rearrange them to suit how I want to reach for them when I open my closet door. The black one is one of my favorites and I wear it the most. So I wanted that nearest me when I open the closet door. So that's why I arranged it the way I did. So what do you think? This scarf hanger is such a small item, but it's so monumental in helping me feel very organized, at least in the area of my closet. So, what do you think? Is this something you would buy for yourself? So, if you didn't know about it before, consider yourself told. I just told you. You're not going to be one of those people who didn't know. So, before you go, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right beneath the video. Thank you. See you next video.